full video on US 1 going to take a look at the construction zone.
The zone,
So,
whatever zone.
hope everybody will enjoy this video, and oh yeah, hope you're enjoying it. Actually, this bridge is a really, the bridge looks really nice. When they first built this bridge a long time ago, I believe it used to be a drawbridge, but they got rid of it, and now they have this bridge, because it's really why it's so big.
What
It's
a car
because
doing in there?
boats under it. Yeah.
What a car doing it?
You can see the roadwork sign is gone. See, they removed it, and you can't really see it. I think they moved it in the other side of the bridge. This is going to be a whole video of the highway project that is already completed. There's a roadwork sign right there. Now you can see the you can see a little bit of a view out there. You can see the sky. You can see the blue sky. And there's the roadwork sign right there. They just moved it for some reason. It said roadwork ahead. Speed limit's 45.
The sign there, they stick it up, the orange thingy.
And traffic is backed up getting into the Keys. So yeah, project almost done. It's already been completed now, as you can see. See, it looks a lot different now.
It looks normal now.
Yeah, the highway looks a lot different than it actually was. See the trees, you can't really see the ocean because, well, you can't see the ocean because they boarded up. So I can see a double white line. Yeah, that's a double white line. The camera's pretty nice. And as I can tell, the camera picks up really clearly. Devoted. Yeah, they did plant the trees really good. Oh, you can't really see